So the Osmo Mobile 6 from DJI has some amazing features, which I covered in a video a few weeks ago, but I got this little MagSafe adapter to see if it would just work straight to the phone. And if it does, that would be a game changer.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. Also, welcome to my room on board the Pacific Encounter. Every now and then, I work on cruise ships as a musician, so this is my room. Hold on, let me just flip the view around so you can see. And if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a surprise link. So yeah, the Osmo Mobile 6 is just a really good gimbal for your phone. But one thing that bothered me about it is it's got this little magnetic attachment to it. And I was like, why can't this just connect straight to your phone like using the MagSafe? That'd be pretty cool, right? I mean, this magnetic phone mount's not bad at all. I mean, it's pretty cool. You could just have it on like that and you could just easily snap it on. But I mean, like, how great would it be if you could just use your phone and use the MagSafe magnet on the back and just, because let's face it, it's kind of annoying having to deal with a phone mount and putting it on and, you know, it just, yeah. And maybe I'm just being lazy, but I'm also not alone. A lot of you guys out there watching this know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just that extra bit of inconvenience that makes you not necessarily want to use your gimbal. So I did some digging and I found this on Amazon. It's a magnetic phone mount and I just want to see if it works. This doesn't need to be an interesting unboxing session because this is it right here. So it's like a magnetic attachment right there. Ooh, see that? Okay, let's get closer in. So just fits in. Watch this. Finds that MagSafe and it's there. You feel it kind of like snap into place on the magnet when you get it just right. So here we go. Okay, we're doing that. Now, most of you guys probably have a case on your phone. So will it work with that? I'm assuming so. So you have a case that has that MagSafe on it. Fits, wow, that was easy. Okay, let's have a look. Turn this thing on. Ooh. There it is. Wow, that makes it so much easier. It's like, oh, got my gimbal, got my phone. That's it, ready to go. What? That's so cool. That's incredible. See, now you're done with it. Boom, you're done. Now, only if you could be charging your phone at the same time wirelessly, that would be pretty cool, but maybe I'm asking a bit too much for that. If you are looking for a phone gimbal, I think the Osmo Mobile 6 is fantastic. I think you'd be very happy if you bought this. It's got a lot of great features. You can check out my last review to see all of them. But thank you so much for watching. I gotta get back to work because I'm a musician on board here. And if you wanna see some more ship kind of videos, you know, join the memberships. It's $1 a month and I'm doing some live streams and posting some things on board. So yeah, check it out there. But other than that, stay tuned because a lot more stuff is happening all the time on this channel and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?